In this video, we are going to install Akeeyo's Smart Mirror Dashcam, model number AKY-Z3GT. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. It comes with a nice 5.5-inch screen, memory card slot with up to 128 gigs. You want to use a U3 or higher memory card. On the other side, you have your control buttons. Here's your OK button, up, down, menu, and your power. On the rear, you have your GPS and your audio video input. It has a nice flexible base with adhesive in the bottom and a ball mount. That way you can rotate. You just want to slip this on the back of the unit. Just like so. It has your rear camera that records at 115 degrees. And it is 1920 by 1080. And it does come with a long cable to connect to the front of your vehicle. This red wire is what you connect to your reverse lights. Here is your GPS module with a nice adhesive in the back to stick on your windshield. It does come with your 12-volt cigarette plug-in adapter, or you can add the optional hardwire kit. This is great for your 24-hour parking monitoring. This is your front camera, which records at 115 degrees at 1920 by 1080. Also come with your mount, which you just slide underneath. Here are your two side cameras, which are somewhat adjustable, up or down, left and right. You want to mount this to the side of your mirror. A nice sized extension. You connect this red wire to your turn signal. It does come with wedges so you can adjust the mounting properly. Comes with a couple weather strips with adhesive in the back for your side cam. And of course your pry tool to help you hide those wires. And your manual. I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So I'm gonna mount the monitor up here, the screen, and maybe put the wire through the navigation speaker. Yep, I'm gonna fish the wire through here and make it come down under. Alright, so I got the wire through. I'm going to trim out a little piece so that this wire can hide or sit flush. I'll do that at a later time. And it comes down here. Next, I'm going to connect the GPS module. I think I'm going to just leave the GPS module here and hide the rest of the wires under here, as this GPS module connects to the back. There it is connected. I'm gonna stick that there and hide the wires in here, under here, at another time. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fish the wire through for your front camera. Alright, the front camera is now wired. This is where I'm going to temporarily put the camera until I can clean up the wiring. The front camera will be connected to cam 1. Here's your side cam, the right side. I temporarily wired it here. We're gonna wire it to cam number 3. There it is. Your left side cam is gonna get plugged behind here on your AV. I'm gonna clean up the wiring again, so all the wiring is gonna hide under here and go under the dash and out through here. Alright, there's the side cam. Here's the rear camera mounted. Wire runs through here all the way to the front. So the red wire from here is connected to my reverse light. connected to this. Now we go ahead and get your power supply. We have one pin left. Connect these two. And your cigarette plug adapter. Alright, now we can peel the protective sticker. And let's start the car.
Hello, Akeeyo.
So now we're going to go ahead and go through the settings. This is camera 1. You can stop recording. This is your photo. You can take picture. Here you can lock. When you're recording, you can lock that recording. You can turn on and off your audio. You can switch your camera views right here. That's your rear camera. Here's your right side camera, left camera. You have your split rear and looks like the right side. You have a triple split rear, right side and front. And you have rear, right side and left. And your front. This is your playback, all your recordings. And this is your settings menu. In order to go to settings, you want to stop recording first and then hit that gear button. First, we have your loop video. Your loop video will record in increments of 1 minute, and then I'll start looping again, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Next, we have your video standard. I believe US is NTSC. Now we have your AV channel type. We're gonna go ahead and do a 4-channel. Event cycle, you can turn that on or off. Your focus record, you can turn that one on or off. I guess that automatically focuses. You have your parking monitoring. I didn't connect the hardwire kit, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave that one off. You have your gravity sensing. This is your gravity sensing. This is your impact sensor. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that at middle. Astern line, that is your reverse camera lines. I'm gonna turn that one on. You have your screen brightness. High, middle, or low. Let's go ahead and leave it at low. Screensaver. You can turn it off, or your screensaver will turn on in 3 minutes, 2 minutes, or 1 minute. I'll leave mine off. You have your language settings. Few selections there. I'm going to keep it at English. This is your voice recording switch. I'm going to leave that on. You have your speaker, your volume. Let's put that at high. Voice control. You have voice commands. Your boot sound. I'm going to turn off the boot sound. You have your mirror netting. You have all your cameras. Channel 1, Channel 2, Channel 3, and audio video that's in the front. I highlighted these two so I can flip the camera horizontally or vertically. I selected these two for Channel 1, which is my front camera, because that needs to flip horizontally and vertically. You have your light source frequency. I believe US should be 60 Hertz. This is your date. You want to change the year, 2022, the month, we are in July. GPS switch, you can turn that on or off. Your head-up display speed unit, we're gonna change ours to miles per hour. We have your time zone selection. We are UTC 8, that's where I'm at. You have your auto off LCD. You can choose clock only, or to show clock and speed, or clock, speed, and direction. I'm gonna leave mine at clock, speed, and direction. I want that to show. You can format your SD card. You can reset to factory settings, and here shows you your device information. So let me go ahead and show you the reverse parking assist. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on reverse. All right, as you can see, you have your parking lines. You can adjust it. What I like about this is you can actually reduce, see how far you can go, up or down. You can also change the upper width, get wider. You can change the bottom width, wider or lower. You can change the x-axis, positive or negative. And the y-axis. I think my own. There we go, I think. So there's mine. Let's go ahead and adjust mine. You can change your RYG ratio. And your red ruler. My red is... I think my red ruler was good. Okay, I do want to change my bottom width to make it wider. A little bit more. I think that's about right. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.